Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, October the 27th, 2023. Yes, it's 20 days ago the war started in Israel against Hamas, and it's still going on, the war. Second war, yeah. The first war was in Ukraine. This is the second war. Well, enough with the war. We have here two regular puzzles, the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus in this additional. Aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Sudoku. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start first with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number, this will be number 7340. Yeah, 7340. Before I start, I always count the printed digits, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Don't think so because it's a medium, but let's get started. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. Middle column, one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 marks. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2 cannot continue with the 2. Well. All right, no problem. How about the number 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, need a 6 here. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in this box. Here can be a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. And here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, 5, 5. Alright, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about, need a 6 here, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in the second row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the first row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the last column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And we have a pair, the 3 and the 4 in this row, the 3 and the 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright, and now how about 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers are left in this row. First row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and 8 two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and 3, okay. And now. Let me see. 3, 4, and 1. Come on. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can't see. Digit number 6, number 8, so 3 numbers are left, the 1, the 3, and the 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Well, we have a 1 here, so the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1, 3, 4, we have a 4 in this big square, so the 3 and the 1 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We have a 3 in this big square, so the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In this big square, we have a 3, so the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In this big square, we have a 1 here left, so 1 here, so the 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 12 minutes. Well. We solve it again. Definitely a 0 stars because I'm faster than 50 minutes, maybe 14, maybe 13, 12 minutes. Well, and I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.